So pretty soon I'll have a big truck coming in, putting my barn up. Again, it's going to be a 34 by 50 structural steel building, and my driveway isn't quite wide enough to get the trailer that I think they're going to be bringing in here. So I had a quick solution. I have no shortage of logs on my property, so I filled the ditch up with that. That'll keep them from trashing my culvert and keep them from getting stuck. So anyway, here's what I did. My ditch up with logs. These are 8 to 10 foot long each. And now, in addition to the 20 foot I have the driveway, I've got an additional 8 foot on each side, so they can get these wide trailers in here, because this is a little bit of a tight turn. I've already drove the tractor and the truck over them a couple times, and they're good and solid. Might be a little bumpy bringing the trailer in, but they'll get it in here, no problem. With my grapple on my tractor, I made short work of this. This whole thing of filling this ditch up with logs only took me about 30 minutes. So this is my Kubota L2501, a 25 horsepower tractor, and I have a grapple on it, a Lampride grapple that does a really good job. I'll give you a quick demo of how it works. Also work as a root rake. I'll give you a demo how that works. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you can keep up with the latest progress.